Hey guys, it's Phat. Today's video is gonna be Phat's room tour, part 8, I believe. So, yeah, my bad if I got the numbers wrong or something. But yeah. So let's get started. So I got Santa Claus, of course. This is just, spray to clean stuff with. Got an umbrella, the bandana that I use for music videos, of course. This case for Pokemon cards. The one at the bottom is for games. Got the pump right here, of course, and I actually fixed it, by the way. I used nail clippers to fix it, so yeah. Also got a fake brain right there. Got magazines right there. Got nail polish. Boom. Blank CDs and the Game Boy Advance, and of course the games for it. The black bucket that has like nail polish and whatnot. So yeah, birthday cards, and yeah. So that's that on that. So yeah, that's what I was trying to say. So boom, got a bag right here, which is cool. Got a tiger and a butterfly on there, and it's blue right there. So yeah, I really like the design too. So yeah, which is cool. Here's Spider-Man. He's kind of dusty. I need to clean that up. So yeah, got the sound system right here, which is cool. You can hook your phone to it and play CDs on it, of course. So it's pretty freaking dope. So boom. Okay, so here is Finn Balor. Bam. So there go the WWE logo right there. Pretty cool. So boom. Got batteries, of course. Got the games for the 2DS. Got Webcast John Cena over there. Some air freshener. My wallet. Some headphones. And got my iPod right here. Bam. Got a little fan right here, which is cool. And so yeah, got some slippers, of course. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, peace.